Prodigy is the second math application we'll use in class. It does have a sort of a game-based look to it. A lot of students are familiar with having avatars and playing games, uh, answering questions, math questions, in order to then battle, if you will. There is a sign up or log in. So briefly, I have the the letter that you'll see sent to you from me again talks to you about the benefits of this game because it is a really, math focused game. And it does give students a lot of confidence and builds their knowledge of math at the same time. Down here, it talks about premium membership. That is not something you have to do if you want to at home. It will unlock a variety of games and options for your child, but for our purposes, it's not necessary. But you'll be provided with a username and password, and that will be um, another math to be played at home or at school.